The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka organized the Chaturtha Charan, Herakpank and Rajya Puraskar certificate presentation ceremony on Monday, March 17. The event held at Glass House Rajbhavan, Bengaluru saw the participation of Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers who received their awards in recognition of their achievements. Governor Tawachan Gehlot presented the certificates acknowledging their dedication and excellence in scouting. Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly UT Khalid graced the event as the chief guest, adding significance to the occasion. During the ceremony, Mr. M.A. Khalid, KS officer from Karnataka, was felicitated by the governor for his outstanding contributions to scouting and guiding. He was conferred with the Bronze Wolf Award in 2024, the highest global honor in scouting. With this accolade, he has now received all the top awards in the field, leaving only international recognitions from other countries. Khalid's distinguished career in scouting is marked by several prestigious awards. He was honored with the highest state award, Medal of Merit in 1988, followed by the highest national award, Silver Elephant in 1994. In 2012, he received the highest Asia Pacific Region Award, Distinguished Service Award, and in 2024, he has been bestowed with the highest world award, Bronze Wolf Award. His journey in scouting began in his youth when he was awarded the President's Award by Dr. Zakir Hussain in 1967 and later the President Rover Scout Award by President V.V. Giri in 1973.
ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯುಕ್ತರು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಎಂ.ಎ. ಖಾಲಿದ್, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಆಯುಕ್ತರು ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವಮಟ್ಟದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ಎಂ.ಎ. ಖಾಲಿದ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಎಂ.ಎ. ಖಾಲಿದ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಕಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಈಗ 70 ವರ್ಷ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ದಾಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಇದು 200ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳು, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 200 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ that human being is one. We want world peace. We want world peace.